ensemble is Grand Canonical Ensemble. In simple word, as we already have seen in micro canonical ensemble and canonical ensemble, like that in Grand Canonical ensemble, we have energy and number of particles which could be exchanged with the environment. This is the minimum. This is the difference between canonical, microcanonical and grand canonical ensemble. An ensemble used to study systems that are exchange both energy and particles. So here are two terms which shows that here energy and particle will exchange heat with the environment. So in this ensemble, the number of particles in the system can fluctuate and it is described by fixed chemical potential. What is chemical potential? This we will see further in representing the potential to exchange particles. Here this is the basic tool that shows that how energy and particle exchange with the particle reservoir. This is the example. Consider a gas in a closed container connected to a heat reservoir at a fixed temperature and particle reservoir at a fixed chemical potential which is given by mu. The gas particle can move freely within the container and exchange both energy and particle with the respective reservoir. Two examples of such system are a liter of air within a large volume of air and 1 centimeter cube sample of copper within a large block of copper. This is the basic example to understand the Grand Canonical Ensemble. So in Grand Canonical Ensemble, we can see energy and number of particles macroscopically of 3 particles. Here 3 particles are added microscopically and the lines which are given here, this shows that releasing energy or exchange energy with their environment. So micro, this symbol shows that constant, it means number of particles are changing in a system, and then chemical potential remains same, it indicates wall are permeable. This means that V means volume constant, volume remain constant, it means walls are rigid. And second is temperature is constant, it means walls are diathermal or thermally conducting wall. This means that they can transfer energy to the environment. And system is open system. So this is the basic difference. As we see in micro canonical ensemble, the system is isolated, and canonical ensemble we have a system, closed system, and in grand canonical ensemble we have open system. So in open system we have these conditions which can be described. Micro means chemical potential, volume and temperature.